Just a quick machine room tour of this old Otis. There's your governor. Nice cover on that one. And this one's a little different than some of the ones I've showed because this has like your selector separate from your controller. Over here's your controller. Here's your selector with your calls, right? Like your one up, 1C, TD, TC. Again, like a D. Here's your, better look at those. Your D would be like your top floor hall call. This is your top floor car call. And same with, like, you know, 2C is a 2 car call. 2D is a 2 down. You also have it up. So this looks like it is 3U, 3C, 3D, and a 3C, 4U, 4D is a selective collective. You can go up or down from any floor. There's all your individual floor bars. Only a couple floors. It's in a school here. As you can tell, there's pretty good spacing in between the floors by the distance of the pie plates. Here's a generator. Looks pretty good. A little clean. There's the motor. I always take these covers off just to take a peek in there. It's also really cool to watch that turn around. Here's your brake. The oil's not too bad in there. Still picking up lots of oil. The school is actually going to be closed in the end of this year, so like a month and a half, 2 months. Not sure what the plans are for the building. Here's your controller. Not too bad. This is different too. I don't see too many with the all three, like the dash pod overloads. Usually you have one, and then you would have like 1P and 2P, or like the push style overloads. Looks pretty good though. I don't get here very often. I just come for a service call every now and again. But I do like seeing this one. All right. Oh, here's a tiny little, it's gonna go somewhere. You can see the generator's kicked in. There goes the motor, and the elevator's moving. See your selector going down over there. Some of these old Otis ones have like these old Otis boxes. This one doesn't have any labeling on it or anything. Oh, and there's your tape hooked up, right? All the selectors attached directly to the car. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the little machine room tour here.